Yeah.
Yes, that's good.
Hello,
That's good. Yes,
how are you?
I am fine. So tell me, after a long time we are meeting again. So tell me, how are you? Are you fine?
Yes, I'm totally fine. After holiday, I start my journey again. So yeah, how is going on your practice? How is going on? Everything. How is the weather there? Tell
My
me.
practicing is going on well, you can say, because nowadays I can practice with everyone because of this Skype application, you can say. So we have found a way to practice English where we can get people to practice English easily. Like that time, when I had no environment, that time I was thinking, even for practicing, I was having to go to the forest. But nowadays I can practice with people face to face on this application. So nowadays I feel good. So tell me, how do you practice and how is your practicing going on nowadays? Please tell me.
Okay, yeah, it's going on. I have started again. So yeah, it's going on good. I'm on track now. Yeah, I can say it's going on good. How is the weather there? I think it's rainy weather.
Yes, rainy weather.
Okay, I'm asking you, which weather do you like? Rainy, summer, monsoon, winter, which season your favorite?
My favorite season is rainy season also, and other is summer season. You can say I like the most. Yes,
Okay, why? Why is it? Can you explain?
winter. Winter season. I think we are feeling cold that time. Yes, that's right.
Okay.
In my area, like, it is the festivals. You can say mostly festivals are happening in my area, like in month of winter season. You can say around in winter season. Yes.
Okay, okay. So you don't like festivals?
I like festivals. If I'll tell about my festivals, we are celebrating one festival name is Sohrai. You can say Sohrai. We're celebrating in month of January in winter season. You can say. So that time, like a lot of people are dancing in my area, and that time, we are from one side. You can see we are paying calls. So that's why we are unable to go to see them. You can say, but
Oh,
yeah. But in which like if I'll talk about my summer season, so what types of festival are happening in my area? Like people are mostly people of my society, like from in which caste I am belonging. You can say a lot of mostly people are wedding in month of June, July around in summer season. You can say that time I feel good because and we can dance, we can go, we can attend in any marriage. You can say so that time I feel good. Yes.
oh my God. You don't feel hot?
No, I don't feel, but no, I feel hot. You can say, but mostly at night time. You can say, so that time we are not feeling cold. Yes, that time. During the daytime, you can say we can feel cold. Cold, you can say, but no, hot we can feel. But for saving from hot, you can say we are going another tree. Where I'm living, there is one big tree. You can say, so every person from village keep on coming there to save themselves from hot. You can say. Yes, a lot of people keep on coming there. So I also, many time, but nowadays I think it has, approach which is like it has got collection time of rainy season. You can say so nowadays. Like I think nowadays the season has changed. So tell me, like, how do you practice nowadays? How do you practice? Have you changed your way or like which you were using before earlier, like that way you are using? So how are you practicing nowadays? Please tell me.
Yeah, I'm doing same. I'm conversation with people in daily basis. So yeah, whatever I used to do, I'm doing right now as well. Okay, okay, tell me, we are talking about festival. So I would like to know which kind of festival do you celebrate? Just I want to
I
know.
celebrate,
So your
you know,
festival is different from others.
Yes, yes. Actually, we are celebrating one festival which is famous in my area for like Santhal people. Like I'm Santhal people, you can say like our caste is Santhal in Jharkhand. So mostly I like only which you can say like Sohrai, Sohrai. That is called Sohrai. So a lot of people will dance and they will play different kinds of thing. Like you can say, I think a lot of which is violin. That all I think is violin and tum that all a lot of things they will play. So really that is yeah that is being played well by them.
Only festival do you celebrate? Only one
What?
festival? Only
A lot of
one festival do you celebrate, or there are more festivals?
festivals we are celebrating, yes, but mostly like only for my caste, only for my society, like my native language you can say for us. Like as many people are coming in the society, for them like Sohrai, but other festival like you can say Sahrul, you can say Sarhul in Jharkhand, that is famous in Jharkhand. I think you have read in any book about Jharkhand, like a festival. Favorite festival of Jharkhand is Sahrul, you can say Sarhul. Yes. Tusu.
Okay.
Okay. A lot of,
Yeah,
yes.
yes, I heard about this festival. How do you celebrate this festival, Tusu? Do you
Yes.
dance again?
Actually, I don't dance, but I am just looking people while dancing. I'm looking to the people while dancing when they dance. That time, I'm looking them. But mostly, mostly I'm not attending because I think, I'm getting shy that time. Yes.
Oh, why? You are very confident boy. Why you do shy?
Sometime, sometime I attend, sometime I not. But if I will be alone to dance there, when any people will be with me like for dancing this festival for celebrating that time I will attend mostly, but only other like whose age is different, you can say. So that time I'm not dancing, but whose age is like me, so definitely I will dance that time, because if I will alone, if I will be alone, so how will I dance? I will get so because I'm only person that if I'll dance with them people will look me and love me. One day the festival is happening in my area, I think before 1 month, so that time I attended that. So you can say all the same, I was not getting shy at that time. And one person I said him, I said him for catching my mobile and he was capturing. Then I said him that, if I, I will go to dance now. So please show me on video. So how will I dance? So that time, he showed me video. He made my video. Like by dancing, I danced with some girls there. Yes.
Oh, okay, that's great. And which kind food do you have?
Books. Or you are asking about foods.
Food, eat.
Food, in my area, we are nowadays, you can say this in this season, we are cultivating, which is paddy we are growing. Yes, we are growing. So you can say mostly in my area, people are eating rice, rice with vegetables, boiled rice, boiling rice, you can say. Yes, boiling rice food. Like they boil rice in water, and after that, they will cook food. Vegetables they will cook, and with rice food by boiling, they will eat with that. So like this, they are eating in my area. But besides that, a lot of food are famous. Yes, a lot of things are famous in my state Jharkhand. You can say samosa, jalebi. A lot of things are eaten in my area. You can say. Yes.
Okay, I'm asking you, in festival, which kind food do you used to have?
In festival, yes, in
Yes.
festival, we are cooking, yeah, like meat. You can say meat.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay,
We
that's
are every festival, whenever it will get close on time of celebrating any festival, that a lot of people will buying, a lot of people will buy, which is meat, you can say. Like mostly people will like, I think, I don't want to tell meat name of any animals. I like to see my house, school where I study.
yes, yes. I would like to
That,
see your school.
I think there is, that's how you can see my school little bit, I think you can see, right?
Okay, yeah, yeah. I could see.
Yes, that is my school,
Okay.
Hindi medium. There I study. Yes. And this is ground, big ground. Yes, I think during evening time people will come to play football in this ground. And because little bit it is raining also, so this is palm tree, you can say here.
Okay. How far is school from your house?
1 kilometer, 1 2 kilometer around will be from my home, so I came up to 1 kilometer, you can say, from my home while talking with you. Yes. 1 kilometer, yes.
Why you came here so far from your house?
Actually, here, always I keep on coming. Sometimes in case of it, actually, for, if I'll tell about my purpose to so, actually, I keep on showing background, good background to the people. So most of the people are from South India, like they don't have this type of background there. So they want to see. And I think one teacher from South, I think from America, she had called me and was showing, Jadu, I saw a lot of your background on your video. You have shown very good background in your video. So please show me that. And he said me, you have to show my school also. You have to show me. So one day I had come here while talking with her, and I showed her like my school, like this. Here I had come. So like this, I keep on showing like background of Jharkhand. Yes. Like this, Santal people are living in Jharkhand, and they have like background, you can see, and fields, everything. They are growing paddy in the field, so everything. Yes. Like this,
Okay,
yes.
okay, that's great. Good to know about you. And Jadu, I want to know, how you feel happy every time. Which kind of things makes you happy? What makes
Yes.
you happy?
Yes, actually, I like so whenever I go anywhere to see good places, that time I feel good, and while talking with people also, and also at my home, I study, so mostly I keep on getting happy all the time. You can say every day I keep on getting happy, and people are looking me like he is talking while smiling, so he is looking like a happy person. Like yes, he is very happy person. Like this, they are saying. A lot of people commented also on video, like by watching my video, you are very like you are very happy person, like you keep on getting happy, you are not getting sad. Yes, like this they are saying. Yes.
I watch your many videos. On all of videos, you are smiling. That's why I wanted to ask you why you feel happy. As any special reason?
No, it is not like that, but actually it is my habit, for a long time. Actually, while talking with people, I have habit of smiling, you can say. I have habit of smiling, that's why.
Okay, that's great. Okay, you talk about if I go some places, then
But
which
some
kind
people,
places? Hello.
what? Yes.
You told about if I go one places, then it makes me happy. Which kind places? Which kind of places makes you happy?
So where I can get to see good environment, like background, trees, everything can be like that background I like the most. And so far I went a lot of places also in Jharkhand, even in other state in West Bengal and Odisha. So I saw many places, famous places there, you can say. With my father had gone and with my friend also. And I think in the future, I met planning to go anywhere. From my home I will go in my future, yes.
Where do you want to go? I did not get.
I think my father was saying me that, and we should go to Hogli River to see. Actually, I didn't see Hogli River, but I went to Bengal, West Bengal many times, but Malda district, which is Malda district of, Bengal. There I went, but I want to see also, which is Hogli River. Like in Kolkata, you can say Howrah Bridge, you can say there I want to go in my future. Yes.
Okay, you want to go there once.
Yes, I
Isn't
want to go. Yes. I want to go, yes.
okay. Is any other places you are thinking about? I want to go once. I will go once. Is there any special places? Any other?
So in South India. And one place is Kashmir, you can say Kashmir. Have you heard about Kashmir, Jammu Kashmir?
Yes, yes.
I want to go Jammu Kashmir also.
Okay.
I want to go Jammu Kashmir. Yes, Jammu Kashmir is, I think, very famous places there. Like you will get to see like springs, waterfalls, good. You can say, and you can take your bath easily. And a lot of like in rainy season, that is very good more. So that's why I want to go. Like my principal used to say, Jadu, we should go. Like I want to go with some students of my school. Like they decided. So I want to go with them, and I will also go with them, and also teacher will go. Also teacher will go. For tool you can consider. Yes. So that's why I also
Yeah.
want to go with. Yes.
It will be school tour. Okay, that's great. Okay, tell me the famous
Yes.
places of Jharkhand.
Yes. One famous places that is called Parasnath Parvat. Parasnath Parvat, you can say, like that is also, in Jharkhand, you can say, that is in one district name is Giridi. You can say, yes, Giridi district. So that is very famous in Jharkhand. You can say from different kind of, district from Jharkhand are, people are coming there to see that. And that is the highest mountain, you can say, like people are worshipping for the God, to the God there. Yes, in top of that
Which
forest here mountain, you can say, so that is very famous in Jharkhand. Yes.
which
And
got
also in my
situated
district,
there?
what?
Which got situated there?
I don't know God name you can say, but I think people are worshipping there. Yes.
Oh,
Yes.
okay. No problem.
And place is also very famous in my, in my district. That is called, I think Moti Jharna. Moti, I think you understand Moti. You understand? Yes.
Yes,
So that's why,
yes.
your name that is like Muti Jharna. Like you will get Muti mostly, PR you will get there. Yes, you will
Okay.
get. You can say. Yes.
Really? Is it really?
Yes, very good. And in especially in month of February, you can say a lot of people are going to worship in Ganga River. That is also, there is also Ganga River. You can say in my district, Sahibganj. I think you knew about Ganga River, like Sahibganj. I think, right?
Yes, yes.
So a
Okay,
lot of
that's
people are.
great. How far from your house? How far from your destination?
I think will be 18, 19 kilometer from my village. 18, 19 kilometer. Yes, that
Have
is
you
not
been
so
there?
far.
Have
Yes,
you
I
been
went.
ever there?
Yes, I had gone many time. And in in 2024, in month of February, I had gone there to see Ganga River also, and a lot of people had gone to worship, and they were taking their bath in Ganga River, like they were looking like very beautiful. And some people, you can say, like, I think people are fearing to take their bath in Ganga River, but some people I saw, they were swimming in the water. They were swimming in the water in middle of Ganga River. You can say center of Ganga River. Even they were not thinking going down in the water. Even which is like, you can say, famous places. A lot of things are famous in Jharkhand, you can say, but mostly thing I don't know in Jharkhand. But I think if you can tell also, you can also tell about your famous places which is in your district. Like you can tell, like in your district that is famous, so you can tell also famous places. Yes.
Okay, which district you want to know, UP or Assam? Because I belong from Assam and I stay in UP currently.
Yes. Yes.
Which
You should tell
state?
about UP first. Then you can tell about Assam. About both state, you can tell famous places. Yes.
Okay, if I talk about the UP, then you must heard about Vrindavan. First of all, we can say Agra and Ayodhya. These are famous temples in UP, and I don't know many things of UP because, but yeah, this some temples I have been there, so I know very well. If I talk about Assam, as Assam is the most famous is Kaziranga Kamakhya Temple and Majuli. Majuli is the biggest river island in this world.
Yes.
So
Yes.
there
Like.
are 500 villages are situated in this Majuli, and we have been there, in this holiday. So yeah, this is very beautiful, and foreigners comes there to see a special place of Assam, we can say.
Yes, it's like this. So I think we will wrap up this session. It is raining also. You can say it is raining little bit. You can see water. Yes.
Okay, okay, you should go. Okay, okay.
You can say because I'm under the tree. I'm under the tree. You can say yes.
Oh, okay, okay, no problem. You can go home, please.
Yes.
Okay,
Okay. We will
okay,
connect again.
thank you, Ravi.
Yes.
Sure, sure.